Hey guys, so today I will be showing you cheap ways on how to repair your hair from damage. Now, before, if you guys didn't know, my hair does not really look like this. It's not in this state right now. My hair was actually chemically damaged and it was heat damage. So I definitely know the struggle of dry and damaged hair. So I'm going to be telling you just the basic things or the easiest things or the cheapest things that you can use on your hair right now if your hair is damaged. So let's begin. Number one is to use VCO or virgin coconut oil. Back then when I was trying to repair my hair, I didn't really have access to the oils that I have right now. So I went ahead and just used virgin coconut oil on my hair just because that is the oil that is available to me and also because of its hair benefits. Now, VCO or virgin coconut oil works great to recondition dry and damaged hair because of its molecular structure. This is one of the oils that actually can penetrate on the hair shaft, getting past the cuticle, so it helps repair your hair from the inside and out. And VCO also prevents your hair from future damage. Not only that, VCO can also help strengthen your hair and give your hair some extra shine as well. Alright, so number two is to use coconut milk. The fresh coconut milk here in my country only costs about 15 pesos. That's Filipino pesos. So that is super cheap to use as a natural hair treatment. You can either go for using the coconut milk cold on your hair, or you can use the hot oil version of it as well. So coconut milk contains all of the essential nutrients that is required for healthy hair. So this is very ideal to use if your hair is dry and damaged. And not only can it help you restore your damaged hair, it will also help you grow out your hair as well. And this is actually one of the remedies that I used to use before when my hair was falling out due to my scalp was severely dry because of the constant hair dye that I was doing on my hair. So definitely coconut milk also prevented hair fall. Alright, number three is to DIY your hair masks. Now my channel is so filled with DIY. If you guys want to see all of those cheap DIYs that you can do on your hair, I'm going to be putting a playlist of all of my cheap hair DIYs that you can just do at home because all of the ingredients can literally be found just in your kitchen or maybe in your backyard. Now I know that some of you probably don't necessarily have time to do DIY, so if you're not the DIY type of person and if you just want some ready-made DIYs, sometimes I actually gravitate to, the ready-made ones just because it'll save me more time, especially if I'm on a hurry. So one of my favorite hair brands when it comes to ready-made DIYs that is so affordable is using Hair Fix. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to flash it on the screen of the hair treatments that I really do like from them. And all of these products, they're not going to break your bank at all just because they are extremely affordable, but yet they are very effective on your hair, especially if you are on a tight budget. Alright, number five, DIY your shampoos. Now, once again, if you all want to see some of the DIY shampoos that I made, I'm going to link them down below. And one of the things that I really do like about DIYing your shampoos, first of all of those DIY shampoos does not contain sulfate or any harsh ingredients, so it is so much better for your hair, especially if you're dealing with dry and damaged hair. If you all want my recipe for a DIY or organic shampoo, I'm going to link that as well in the description box down below so that you guys can see it. But once again, if you are not the DIY type of person, I really do suggest using a shampoo bar. It does not contain any sulfates and it's actually an organic shampoo bar, and actually the one that I was using before was very affordable and I do like its effect on my hair. It did a really great job in cleaning my hair and at the same time moisturizing it, and it did not contain any harsh ingredients that can make your hair even more dry if you're dealing with dryness already. Alright, so the next one is to use rice water. Now, rice water is not only great for growing your hair, but also studies have shown that the inositol that is found in rice water is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from inside and out, and it also protects your hair from future damage. Alright, so the next one is to use the CONSUKA method. It sounds so posh, but actually CONSUKA is just basically using a conditioner and an apple cider vinegar. And actually, this CONSUKA method is really effective if your hair is really damaged and dry because it helps smoothens your hair and it just makes your hair look alive and healthy again. And actually, I find that it's one of the cheapest remedy that you can do for your hair if your hair is really damaged. So as I said, if you guys want more in-depth details of what the CONSUKA treatment, I'm going to put that in the description box down below. But as I've said, it's just basically using your conditioner, the conditioner that you already have, and just mix that in with an apple cider vinegar and put that on your hair as a hair mask. Leave that on your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes and then just simply rinse it off after that. And also, you guys, just some bonus tip. If your hair right now is dry and damaged, I really do suggest that every single time you wash your hair, it is a must that you need to use a conditioner or a deep conditioning treatment. Every single time you wash your hair, you can use whatever conditioner or deep conditioner that you want to use. And also the second tip, trim your own hair. Trim off all of the damage. You can do this absolutely yourself. As I've said, you don't have to cut a lot, especially if you're trying to grow out your hair. And also, you know what, if your hair is already dry and damaged, I really do suggest that you cut back on using a lot of heat on your hair, just because it is going to damage your hair even more and it's going to make your hair more dry. So if you want to curl your hair using no heat, I do have a lot of no heat curling techniques on my channel, so I'm just gonna link that in the description box down below so that you guys can see the variation of the curls or the waves that you can produce without using a curling iron on your hair. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!